$4 a piece. $8 there. $12 there. Unbelievable.
Look at this guy, he's hiding. The crabs chase you. He's right there. He's gone.
These are probably the best protein bars that you can actually get. So what are the best protein bars? In my opinion, you know, we've got the honey oat Kind bars, the breakfast bars, and we have the dark chocolate protein. And the La Creme of La Creme, the actual best, in my opinion, that just taste amazing. The Barebells, they are absolutely unbelievable. And I'm not just saying that, they really are. I got into protein bars about 2 years ago because, you know, I wanted to, you know, be healthy. I wanted to watch what I eat and stuff like that, you know. So I just wanted to get healthy. And also I like my sweets as well. I like something really sweet. And I wanted something sweet but healthy. And so I'm looking for protein bars. And so I tried the Kind bars. But believe me, I've tried all the protein bars. I mean, I've tried so many, it's unbelievable. And at the end of the day, these are the best. These are the best flavors. These are the best makes, really good. And with the Kind bars, you get 6 in a box, 2 bars per pack. And they're about $7, quite expensive. But the La Creme of La Creme, the most expensive, you know, what are the most expensive? Are the Barebells. They're $4 a bar. Yeah, expensive. And this is not a sponsor, it's just what I use. It's an app that I use to keep track of what I eat, my weight, my calories, my sodium, my cholesterol, everything. And it's called MyNet Diary. It's not a sponsor. It's just a bloody good app, it really is. And you know, what you do, you get a snack scene and I scan it. And these, the Barebells, they get an A. 200 calories, 8 grams of fat, 3 grams of saturated fat, 50 milligrams of sodium. Obviously some are different. The peanut butter like 150, so that's a big leap. Total carbohydrates, 19 grams. The protein, 20 grams. So, and the Kind bars, they also, let me scan, they also get an A. More calories in these, 210 calories. The saturated fat, 0.5. The trans fat, no trans fat, 35 milligrams. These are for the honey oats. And total sugars, 9 grams. So there's, you know, there's less, but they're still healthy. They're all healthy. And like I said, some are not healthy at all, but these taste amazing and they're healthy. There's one thing about these Kind bars, certain ones, especially the honey oat, they can tend to be a little dry. So you've got to have a coffee with them. You've got to have a coffee. And I have these literally every single morning, literally, these flavors. But they can be dry, but wash it down with the coffee. So good. They're not over sweet, they're just right. The honey, you can really taste the honey. Not very good if you're really thirsty, but tastes really good. Do the trick in the morning and you don't feel guilty. The sodium's great, the calories are great. And they give you energy as well. They give me energy. I lost a lot of weight by eating these, and they satisfy me. Always wash them down with some coffee though. That is so good. So in the Barebells, the flavors I have are caramel, cashew, and chocolate dough. Both absolutely delicious. But the sodium is a big difference. In the caramel cashew, 80 milligrams of sodium in that. And the chocolate dough, 150 milligrams. So there's a big difference. Let me take a bite of this. Now, these are not dry. You know, you can have these without coffee, but but they taste so good with coffee. Oh man. I'll put a list of what's in these, but with the honey oats, you don't feel guilty. You just feel great. But these taste so good that you think they're not good for you, or you feel guilty for eating them, even though when you're on a health kick. But they're so good. Go on the lookout for a Bear Bells and just try one. Even though you might not be on a health kick, just get one. So now what I will do, for lunch, I will put them in my app. So the honey oats, 210. The Bear Bells, I'll log that in, and then I've got to scan the Bear Bells. 1 bar, 890 calories right now. And next I'm gonna have the dark chocolate ones. That's 1100 calories. So for breakfast and lunch, 1100 calories. All right, let's get into the dark chocolate. And these are not dry. These are not dry. They're just washed down well with a nice cup of coffee. And you get little surprises. You get little chocolate chips. You know, little, each bite, a little pop of chocolate. Just beautiful. But these are good. And they have sort of like a cinnamon taste. There's a cinnamon taste in these. But these are not dry. The chocolate chip makes them nice and moist. But they're washed so good down, washed well down with a cup of coffee. So good. I don't know why I love them. I just love them. I do know why I love them. They taste good, they're healthy, they make me feel good. I don't feel guilty. I know what I'm eating. And you can lose weight from these if you eat them sensibly. So good. These literally take me to eat a minute. They are expensive. That is the downside there. Sorry guys, my battery went out. Anyway, what I was saying was, the downside of eating healthy is that it's really expensive. All this processed food, cheap, unhealthy. Some causes cancer, not good for you. High in sodium, unbelievable. It's a shame. And you're looking for something, am I recording? And if you're looking for something sweet, healthy, make you feel good, don't feel that guilty, get some of these, but really try the Bear Bells. I think you'll like them. $4 a piece. $8 there. $12 there. Unbelievable. Anyway guys, just a quick video. See you later.